Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my own gel nails at home. This is super easy, but I'm going to give you some tips on how to make them last really long. So yeah, let's get started. We are going to start with bare nails and make sure they're stained from blue hair dye extravaganza. Just kidding, but mine are, so please don't judge. I'm going to take the nail polish remover and wipe my nails to remove excess oil from the nail plate. Next, I'm going to push that cuticle away and make sure I'm removing that clear part of it that sits on the nail. It kind of acts like a sponge and absorbs water, so you want to get rid of it to make your manicure last. It's time to file your nails. Do it even if you don't need to make them shorter. You'll want to shape them nicely and mattify the free edge. It'll help everything adhere to the nail. Remember to get rid of the dust once in a while. You can use a softer brush to do so, but make sure it's clean. Then I'm going to buff the top of my nails to gently mattify the surface. Get rid of the dust and wipe your nails again. First, I'm going to use nail prep, aka nail dehydrator. Apply a little bit to each nail and let it dry. After that, I'm going to apply a non-acidic primer called Ultra Bond. With an acidic and non-acidic primer, I recommend avoiding direct contact with skin, so apply it to the center of the nail. A non-acidic primer will be less harmful though. And from now on, don't touch anything. For a base coat, I'm using this one from Born Pretty. It is known as a peel-off base coat, even though it's not advertised as one. Remember that using a peel-off base coat will make your manicure more fragile, but it's a good option if you hate removing gel polish. I make dots on each nail and spread it around with a brush. Don't forget to cap the free edge, but don't get too generous unless you want it to get thick. And cure. Now, curing time depends on the product and the lamp you're using, but I just use 1 minute on everything to be sure it's cured. Time to pick your color. I went with the most basic nude. You usually want your gel polish to give you full coverage in 2 coats, and you want to make them rather thin. Take your time with painting and don't flood the cuticle. Cure the first layer before applying more polish. Remember, the nail polish will be sticky after curing, so don't touch it. And no, it doesn't mean it's not cured, it's just ready to stick to the next layer. You can add any accent nails or toppers. I started with this sparkly pink, but that was way too boring, so I went with gold and gold hollow topper. Last step is a no-wipe gel top coat. The no-wipe part means it won't be sticky after curing. Add 2 coats if you're using chunky glitter, nail powder or stickers. You can finish it off by adding some cuticle oil to your cuticles and you're done. And this is how my nails look like after 2 weeks. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did and check out some of my older nail videos. I made a few in the past and let me know if you'd like to see more of them, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!